Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 17a from chapter circles. So starting with question number 38. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with center O, DO is parallel to CB and angle DCB is equal to 120 degrees. Calculate first part angle DAB, second part angle DBA, third part angle DBC, fourth part angle ADC. Also show that triangle AOD is an equilateral triangle. Now there are four things that we have to find and one thing that we have to prove. Okay, and there is also a lot of information given over here. So first we'll write down given, to find and to prove, and then we'll start with the solution. Okay, so given AB is the diameter of the circle with center O, so O is the center and AB is the diameter of the circle. DO is parallel to CB and angle DCB is equal to 120 degrees. Now to find part, there are four things that we have to find and one thing that we have to prove. So to find, write down all the four things. Okay, I'm not writing down, सब लिखना है. And to prove, so उसके बाद आएगा to prove. We have to prove triangle AOD is an equilateral triangle. Triangle AOD is an equilateral triangle. You have to write that down. Now starting with the first part, to find part से start करते हैं. Angle DAB find करना है. Angle DAB. Okay, we have to find the measure. Okay, now कौन से एंगल का मेजर दिया हुआ है? हम लोग को दिया हुआ है DCB. DCB का मेजर दिया हुआ है. Now that will be useful in finding angle DAB. Now you notice A, B, C, D, this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral because all the vertices of this quadrilateral are lying on the circumference of the circle. So therefore, opposite angles are supplementary. That is angle DAB plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Using the property DCB, I know I can easily find DAB. So DAB मिल जाएगा. First part is easy. Now second part DBA. DBA find करना है. Now students, for that we'll consider this whole triangle. Let us consider this triangle ADB. Okay, we just found DAB. एक angle मिल गया है. First part में you'll get it. We have to find DBA. ठीक है. Now DBA find करने के लिए I need to know the other angle using property of triangle. Okay, we know sum of all angles of the triangle is 180 degrees. So if I know this other angle, I can easily find the third angle. Can I find this angle ADB? Yes. Angle ADB is the angle subtended by the diameter AB. AB is the diameter. We just wrote it in the given. So AB diameter है, diameter is subtending this angle on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, ADB is 90 degrees. I have this angle I can easily find DBA. So second part भी easy है. DBC find करना है. Now this one is little lengthy. DBC find करने के लिए I'll use this parallel का property. Okay, look at the angle and then think कि कौन सा property हम लोग apply कर सकते हैं, कौन से property से you can find out. Okay, first वाले angle में it was easy, opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Second वाले में we had to find DBA, so we considered the triangle because we could find the other angle of the triangle. Okay, so first two हो गया. Third वाले के लिए it is DBC. Now notice carefully, DBC में BC क्या है? It is a parallel side with OD. Okay, so OD and BC parallel है, DO and CB. Okay, over here we are given. So DO CB बोलो या OD BC बोलो, does not matter. DO and CB are parallel. They are parallel and there is a transversal DB. मतलब these two are alternate angles. ये वाला angle and ये वाला angle. I need to find DBC. I can find DBC if I can find ODB. Can I find ODB? Yes. Now, ODB find करने के लिए I need to consider this triangle. ODB find करने के लिए ये triangle consider करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now, ये triangle का मुझे दो angles find करना पड़ेगा तो ही मैं third angle find कर सकती हूँ. But over here, OD and OB, if you notice, they are radii of the circle. O is at center, D is on circumference, B is on circumference. मतलब OD and OB क्या हो जाएगा? They are radii. मतलब they are congruent. मतलब this is an isosceles triangle. So even if I know this angle, I can easily find these two base angles. Okay, I can easily find ODB and OBD over here. But how will I find DOB? So students, I'll repeat. DBC फाइंड करने के लिए आई यूज ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स का प्रॉपर्टी. ऑल्टरनेट एंगल के लिए मुझे ये वाला ऑल्टरनेट एंगल फाइंड करना पड़ेगा ODB. ODB के लिए आई नीड टू फाइंड दिस एंगल DOB ऑफ द ट्रायंगल. हाउ विल आई फाइंड DOB? DOB इज द एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर बाय दिस आर्क. ये आर्क सबटेंड कर रहा है दिस एंगल एट द सेंटर DOB. Okay, DCB. Now this arc is also subtending one more angle at the circumference, DAB. I know DAB. I will find it in first part. DAB पता चल गया, then I can find DOB. Angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. Angle at the center DOB will be twice the angle at the circumference, that is angle DAB. So I can find DBC also very easily. DOB पता चल गया, then ODB पता चल जाएगा. ODB पता चल गया तो DBC पता चल जाएगा. Okay. So third one also we know how to find. ADC. ADC find करना है. ADC notice करो, this is an angle of this quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral consider करेंगे. I'm not drawing it properly. ठीक है, rough diagram draw कर रही हूँ. ABCD quadrilateral. I need to find ADC. ठीक है, ये वाला angle find करना है. Now for this I need to know the opposite angle. If I want to use quadrilateral का property, that is I need to know angle ABC. Now जो हम लोग ने फाइंड किया है वही यूज होगा. DBC प्लस ABD इज नथिंग बट ABC. ओके, ABC इज नथिंग बट ABD प्लस DBC. स्टूडेंट्स, DBC we'll find in third part and ABD is nothing but OBD and OBD we'll find over here itself. ODB and OBD are equal. So when you will be solving, you will be finding the angle for this triangle. Automatically OBD मिल जाएगा, that is ABD मिल जाएगा. Adding both the angles, you will get angle ABC. Once you get angle ABC, you can easily find angle ADC. Okay. So this is little lengthy. Okay. Third and fourth थोड़ा lengthy है. And fifth part में you have to prove triangle AOD is equilateral triangle. So I'll come to that part later. That is also very easy. Okay, so now let us start with the solution. Now students, starting with the first part, we have to find angle DAB. So for DAB we'll use this quadrilateral. Okay, because we know the opposite angle of this cyclic quadrilateral, so we can easily find angle DAB. Okay. So before that we need to write down that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is not given. So quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. You have to write down full word because its vertices A, B, C and D are lying on circumference of the circle. Okay, this is not given, so you have to give reason. So ABCD cyclic हो गया. Now we'll use the property. So therefore angle DAB plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degrees. Give reason. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Now DCB का value we know. Angle DCB is equal to 120 degrees. Therefore angle DAB plus 120 is equal to 180. So therefore angle DAB is equal to 180 minus 120. So therefore angle DAB is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so first part मिल गया. All right. Now coming to DBA. Second part में we have to find DBA. For that we'll consider this triangle. Okay, we found DAB. ये triangle consider करते हैं. DAB. Now we found DAB. We need to find DBA. So I need to know one more angle. ये वाला पता है 60 degrees है. I need to find this angle. We know this angle is 90 degrees because AB is the diameter. Okay. So we'll start with AB as diameter and then we'll prove ADB as 90 degrees and then we'll move on to the triangle. Okay. So AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay. And it is subtending angle ADB. AB is subtending angle ADB on circumference of the circle. I'm not writing down. Okay, write down the full thing. AB is subtending angle ADB on circumference of the circle. Matlab, therefore this angle ADB is 90 degrees. Angle of semicircle. Okay, we found angle ADB. Now we'll proceed to the triangle and using SOMAT property, that is sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. We know two angles, we can easily find third angle. Okay, so now we'll consider triangle ADB. So in triangle ADB, we know angle DAB is 60 degrees. Angle ADB is 90 degrees. Now we'll use the SOMAT property. So angle DAB plus angle ADB plus angle DBA is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. Please don't write SOMAT. Substituting the values, ये 60 degrees है, ये 90 degrees है, and this is the angle that we have to find. Students, please show all the steps. Okay, in math steps are very very important. Don't skip steps. So 180 minus 150 हो जाएगा ये, that is nothing but 30 degrees. Okay. So angle DBA also we found, it is 30 degrees. Second part भी मिल गया. Now we need to find angle DBC. This one is little lengthy. Okay. So DBC में BC दिख रहा है. Okay. BC और CB, whatever you consider, CB दिया हुआ है. So DO and CB parallel है with this transversal, मतलब they are forming alternate angles. So I need to find angle ODB. ODB के लिए मुझे angle DO भी पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है. We'll consider this triangle for angle ODB. वो angle find करने के लिए I'll use property. This is the angle at the center, okay, subtended by this arc, and this same arc is subtending angle DAB on the circumference of the circle. I found angle DAB in first part, so I can easily find angle DOB. It is twice angle DAB using the property. Okay, so we'll start with the property first. We have to find angle DOB, then angle ODB, and then angle DBC. Okay, so DOB के लिए DAB, यूज़ करेंगे हम लोग, दैट इज़ प्रॉपर्टी. सो एंगल DOB and angle DAB are angles subtended at center and on circumference respectively. Respectively means DOB के लिए सेंटर पे एंड इसके लिए सर्कमफेरेंस पे. ठीक है, जो पहले वाला है उसके लिए फर्स्ट वाला स्टेटमेंट अप्लाई होता है एंड सेकेंड वाले के लिए सेकेंड वाला स्टेटमेंट. ओके, सो बाय आर्क, सेम आर्क है DCB, therefore angle DOB is twice angle DAB. You have to give reason, students. Angle at the center is twice the angle subtended on the circumference. Okay, this is the angle at the center, this is the angle on the circumference. Okay, ऐसे है DOB and DAB. This is coinciding but it does not matter. Okay, as long as property applicable है. All right. So DAB we found 60 degrees है. ठीक है, सो एंगल DOB इज इक्वल टू 120 डिग्रीज. ओके, ये वाला एंगल मिल गया. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड एंगल ODB एंड देन वी कैन फाइंड एंगल DBC. ओके, नाउ वील कंसिडर ट्रायंगल DOB. ओके, वी फाउंड एंगल DOB, ये मिल गया. And we also know OD and OB are congruent because they both are radii of the circle. So we'll write that down. In triangle DOB, OD is equal to OB. Okay, radii of same circle. Okay, you have to give a reason. So ये दोनों equal है. Now, therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. Therefore, triangle DOB is an isosceles triangle. Write down full word. Now, since it is an isosceles triangle, therefore इसके base angles equal होंगे. OD OB equal है, and therefore base angles equal होंगे. That is, angle opposite to these equal sides are equal. OD के opposite में there is OBD. एंड OB के ऑपोजिट में एंगल ODB. ओके, यूजिंग आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल थ्योरम. प्लीज डोंट यूज सच शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स. नाउ बोथ द एंगल्स आर इक्वल. ओके, लेट देम बी इक्वल टू x. सो लेट एंगल OBD प्लस एंगल ODB be equal to x. Okay, now we'll consider SOMAT property. So in triangle DOB, angle OBD plus angle ODB plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degrees. Give reason. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. OBD and ODB both are x. This we found 120 degrees. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 120. So 2x is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 60 upon 2. So x is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore angle OBD is equal to angle ODB is equal to 30 degrees. We found angle ODB and OBD. Now ODB is equal to DBC. So we'll write down that DO is parallel to CB with transversal DB. Therefore, ODB is equal to DBC. Now DO is parallel to CB. Okay, this is given with transversal DB. ये ट्रांसवर्सल है. DO CB and this is the transversal, therefore these are alternate angles and therefore they are congruent. So therefore angle ODB is equal to angle DBC. Okay, alternate angles. Don't use short forms, don't draw such symbols. ठीक है, full words लिखना है, full statements लिखना है. So ODB and DBC are equal. ODB we just found 30 degrees है. So angle DBC is also equal to 30 degrees. So third part भी मिल गया. Now we have to find angle ADC. ADC is the angle of this quadrilateral. So we'll consider this quadrilateral ABCD again. Okay, ये quadrilateral में ABCD. We need to find this angle. I need to know the opposite angle ABC. ABC, okay, is nothing but ABD plus DBC. ABD is nothing but OBD. Okay, so OBD plus DBC. DBC I just found, OBD also I found. OBD भी 30 मिला था. So OBD plus DBC is angle ABC. So we'll find angle ABC first and then we'll be able to find angle ADC. So angle ABC is equal to angle ABD plus angle DBC. So angle ABC, ABD की जगह पे I can write OBD plus angle DBC. Why OBD? Because O is a point between A and B. So A dash O dash B. OBD is 30 degrees, DBC is 30 degrees. I just found. So ये 60 degrees हो जाएगा angle ABC. Okay. I found angle ABC. Now I can find angle ADC using quadrilateral का property. So we'll consider quadrilateral ABCD. We have already proved that it is cyclic quadrilateral, so we don't need to prove it again. So in quadrilateral, cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degrees. Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. ABC is 60 degrees. So angle ADC is 180 minus 60, so it is 120 degrees. Now students, we found all the four angles. Now we need to prove AOD is an equilateral triangle. So let us draw AOD. इसको equilateral prove करना है. Equilateral का हम लोग को either prove करना पड़ेगा that all the sides are congruent or that all the angles are 60 degrees. Only then we can say that this is an equilateral triangle. So either prove that all the sides are equal or that all the angles are equal. Now all the sides कैसे equal prove करेंगे? I know that OD and OA are equal because OD and OA both are radii of same circle. Okay, so ये दोनों congruent होंगे, but DA को मैं congruent prove कर सकती हूँ क्या? No. So what I'll do? I'll instead prove angles to be 60 degrees. Now DAO, I know angle DAO. DAO is nothing but DAB. DAB we found in first part. DAB and DAO same है. I know DAO. This is an isosceles triangle because ये दो sides equal है. Let us consider it to be isosceles. So this angle and this angle they both will be equal. ये 60 मिला था तो ये भी 60 होगा. Using SOMAT property ये third angle भी 60 ही मिलेगा. So therefore every angle of this triangle is 60 degrees. Therefore this is an equilateral triangle. Okay. So before that we'll write down that DAO and DAB are equal. So angle DAO is equal to angle DAB is equal to 60 degrees. A dash O dash B. Okay, DAO बोलो या DAB बोलो. Okay, मैंने सिर्फ आर्म शॉर्ट कर दिया है. ठीक है, because O is a point between A and B. So A dash O dash B. Now ये मिल गया. Now we'll consider the triangle. In triangle AOD, we know OA and OD both are equal. Okay. Radii of same circle, you need to write down the reason, huh? Now both are equal, therefore इसके base angles भी equal होंगे, angles opposite to these congruent sides. But before that I'll write down, therefore triangle AOD is an isosceles triangle. full word लिखना है. So therefore angle opposite to OA is ADO and angle opposite to OD is DAO. DAO का value I just found it is 60 degrees. So angle ADO is 60 degrees. Now we'll use SOMAT property. ठीक है, DAO मिल गया, ADO मिल गया, ADO मिल गया, DAO भी मेरे पास है. So now using SOMAT property. So in triangle ADO or AOD, okay, angle ADO plus angle DAO plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degrees. SOMAT property will write down sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. This is 60. This is also 60. So angle AOD is 180 minus 120. So in triangle AOD, angle ADO is equal to angle DAO is equal to angle AOD is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore triangle AOD is an equilateral triangle. Write down full word. Hence proved.